Stop. Before you drop your hard-earned cash on a plasma cutter that might fail you in 6 months, you need to see this. It's 2026, and metal fabrication has officially leveled up. Whether you're a professional fabricator or a weekend warrior in your garage, the tech inside these machines is a total game changer. We've scouted the absolute heavyweights on Amazon to find the best 3 plasma cutting machine 2026 models that deliver surgical precision without breaking the bank. We're talking non-touch pilot arcs, insane portability, and digital controls that make cutting through steel feel like slicing butter. Stick around, because our #1 pick is a powerhouse you won't believe. Let's get into the countdown.
First up is the Hone Non-Touch Plasma Cutter. This machine is a beast for anyone who hates messy starts. Thanks to its digital control and non-touch pilot arc technology, you can cut through rusted or painted metal without the tip even touching the surface. It's incredibly user-friendly for beginners, but packs enough punch for serious projects. The 110-volt to 220-volt dual voltage makes it versatile for any US shop setup. Pros: ultra-smooth cuts, excellent digital display, and high-frequency start. Cons: the ground clamp could be a bit heavier duty. Customer review: I've used many cutters, but the Hone is surprisingly smooth. It cut through my half-inch steel plate like it was nothing. USA buyer. At number 2, we have the HXC400D by Haxiaoer. This machine is all about stability and efficiency. Its low-frequency, non-touch start ensures you don't get that annoying interference with other electronic shop tools. It's built for longevity with an advanced cooling system, making it perfect for longer cutting sessions. It's rugged, compact, and designed for the American workshop, where durability is non-negotiable. Pros: low electromagnetic interference, great heat dissipation, and very lightweight. Cons: the user manual is a bit brief for absolute newbies. Customer review: this Haxiaoer unit exceeded my expectations. Very clean edges, and the torch feels premium in the hand. Verified fabricator. Finally, we have the Gasless Inverter machine. While primarily known for its incredible flux core welding capabilities, this unit is the ultimate companion for a metal shop. It's an all-in-one inverter solution that's perfect for those who want to cut and weld without hauling around heavy gas tanks. If you're looking for a portable, gasless setup that offers protection and power for 2026 DIY projects, this is your winner. Pros: no gas tanks required, highly portable, and great safety protection features. Cons: best suited for light to medium-duty tasks rather than heavy industrial use. Customer review: perfect for my home repairs. It's powerful, easy to carry, and the gasless feature is a lifesaver for outdoor work. Home DIYer. There you have it, the 3 titans of metalworking for 2026. Whether you need the precision of the Hone, the stability of the HXC400D, or the versatility of the gasless inverter, you really can't go wrong. Check the links in the description below for the latest Amazon prices and exclusive deals. If this video helped you decide, do us a huge favor. Hit that like button and share this with your fellow builders. Don't forget to subscribe to Global Product Scout for more deep dives into the best gear on the market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy cutting!